Hello guys, this is Uno once again signing in YouTube, and I want to picture another tutorial 2012 July 1. Okay. Uno mas tutorial why Alpine Bad Boys Clan. How to make so many bots without any ban. July 1, 2012 Uno mas style. You need to download an IP changer which is UltraServe. Okay. UltraServe. Now once you download it, you just have to type in the Google UltraServe pre-download, and that's it. Now once you download it, let's start. I've already downloaded it. I'll show you what it looks like here. It looks like that, okay? I forgot that. Now once we have to download, go to Yahoo page. Now once in here, I have to click sign up. There it goes. Put in the name. I will not elaborate so many things. Okay, put in the name, the last name. Put in the male birthday. You must use example 1985. Okay, this postal code thing here must disappear. Okay, this must be gone. This postal code here. So what you want to do is choose a country that don't require any postal code, like Togo. Here in a postal code like Thailand, and there's some countries that do need to have a postal code like US Virginia. So choose a country that don't need any postal code like Togo. Now create a bot. Password. Okay. You may put in any random letters in there. Create my account. Okay, you must copy paste this one first. Okay, HTTPS edit registration. Copy that. Put it in your notepad. Then just save it and put it down. UGEMAMSW. Create my account. As you can see, I've already done one. That goes. Now click continue. Open another browser. Okay. Once you're in there, see, just sign it out. Sign out. Now, get the link that we have registered a Yahoo sign up link page. Here, you just have to copy paste this one here, there. Okay, and make one again. Okay. Now, I tell you that it is okay, and without any ban. Why? Okay, for example, you have made a lot of bots using this IP. For you to not be banned and mix another couple of bots, 30, 40, even hundreds, you must turn off your UltraServe, and once it's turn off automatically. You turn it on again, and you will have a different IP again, and you can make a bots again. Okay, and that's simple. Okay, this is easy, safe, without any virus, and your bots will not be banned, because we all know that there are so many Yahoo bots making bots tools merging around Yahoo, and a lot of coder, a lot of Yahoo making bot tools is roaming around Yahoo, and once you make bots, maybe 12 hours, 24 hours, once you use it again, it sets your bots is banned. And in this technique of using making Yahoo bots, your bots will not be banned. You don't have to worry about some viruses, and it's also simple. You just have to mix those time zones. So for okay, just remember this postal code must not be here. So just countries that don't require any postal codes, and you can make it like push in here. Okay. I'll make another one. I'm sure just how fast to make bots with it. Using this technique, you can make a lot of bots. Okay. Okay, my account. Okay. Take my account, and you will have another bot again. Okay. Let's start. And you can just create another. You just have to open another account and copy paste the link we have earlier, and copy that and put it in there. Paste. Now continue this one. After continuing that one, you must sign up there. Actually, you don't have to sign up. You can make even don't sign up. Enter the browser and you will end up in the sign up page again. So this is Uno signing out in YouTube. Sayonara, guys. The title is this: Uno Try Alpine Bad Boys Clan, how to make so many bots without any ban. July 1, 2012 Namaste. You need to download it to serve, and just take note the postal code thing must not be in here. Okay, this postal code here. Okay, just country that don't require any postal code, and you're done.